Hello, yes, good morning everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So I want us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. This is Euro USD. We have a very good resistance level here. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance. Then we have a support here. So as long as the price is held below these two lines, these are a very good resistance level. We have a very good resistance here. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, then we have a resistance here. If the price can break beyond this resistance, then I want to see price pull back so that we can pick a buy position from that point. We expect the buyers to push price upwards at least up to this level here. So basically this will be the best place to look for a buy from. So we have a resistance, we have a resistance, have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we expect that if the price can break beyond this line here, these two lines, we want to see this pullback so that it can continue upwards at least up to this point here. So my next chart is a GBP USD. So with the GBP USD so far, it looks like the price is pulling back to the upper side. If you check the monthly chart, as I said, we have a very good support there. So we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. So that is the best place to look for a buy from. Where the price is now is the best place to look for a buy position from. If you are that person who trades the monthly chart, then this is going to be the best place to look for a buy from within these two lines. That is why we want to look for a buy position from. We expect the buyers to push price upwards up to around 1.28834. So that is my opinion on that chart. I'm not going to sell it as it is now. I'm looking for strictly buy positions up to this point here. My next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So on this chart, I expected the buyers to carry the day. I was actually looking for a buy because the price was above this resistance level. But as it is now, you may likely see the price pull back downwards up to around this line, which is this line is 125.890. So expect the sellers to push price downwards, maybe up to this point, or the price may go up to this level here. Or if the price breaks beyond this line, which is 134.367, we expect the buyers to push us upwards up to 144.963. So that is, if you can buy it there, expecting the buyers to push it upwards up to this point, or you may wait and buy it around this point back to the resistance line which you have at this point here. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that makes sense. The next chart which I want us to have a look at, gold. So with gold so far, there is a very good bullish pin bar on the monthly chart. You can see that here. So we are looking forward for a buy around this level. We're also looking forward for a buy around this level here. So we have a support, we have a support. This is the best place to look for a buy from. We expect the buyers to push us upwards up to this point here. So if you buy it from within this line around this area 1757.447, expect the buyers to push price upwards. Ultimately, this is the place where we may want to buy it from, or if the price breaks below it, expect a sell up to this level here. So we can buy it there, or wait and buy it there, or you may sell it if the price breaks below this point here. So my next chart, this is Brent oil. So with Brent oil so far, the same thing which we've had happening on gold is almost the same thing happening. The monthly chart closed as a pin bar. You can see that this is a very good bullish candle. If you check the weekly chart, this is a range. So basically this is a very good zone. This is a good zone where you may buy it from this point or wait and sell it from this point. You may buy it at this point or you wait and sell it at this point here. So in case the price ascends and closes above any of these two lines, if it closes above this point, we expect the buyers to push price upwards, or if it closes below this level here, expect it to continue downwards at least up to this point here. So the idea here will be to keep looking for sell positions below this point up to this level, and in case the price breaks above this point, expect it to continue to the upper side. So my next chart is the SP500. So this is some good news. SP500 is gaining value significantly. We had our buy limit here. It was triggered already, so this is good news. Now we are in a position. We expect the buyers to push us upwards up to this point, which is this is 42.98.4. If the price should break above that level, then the next target is 47.76.3. So expect the buyers to push us upwards up to this point. If the price breaks above it, expect it to continue upwards until the price breaks beyond this level here. But ideally, before the end of this year, we are looking forward for the price continuing upwards up to around 47.76.3. My next chart. So I believe that should bring us to the end of today's session. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you and see you.